Okay, so I am getting ready to head off to the airport. It is 3:40 a.m. I'm exhausted. Oh, I still need to put lip stuff on. I am super excited. I'm going to find my apartment today. Hopefully we find it today. If not, I'm gonna be like a little stressed out. So I'm just gonna kind of, after this clip, I'm just gonna have so much b-roll because I don't know the next time I'll be able to like actually talk to y'all, and also I don't know how much of the apartments I'll be able to show because people actually live in them. I don't want to invade privacy and put like people's like personal stuff on YouTube. I mean, not that they would ever probably see it, but I just don't want to. So I'll show you as much as I can, and yeah, let's go to New York. Okay, so real quick outfit of the day. I am wearing Calvin Klein shoes. My shorts are Runway 7. My belt is Gucci. My this like just short sleeve tight top is Warehouse Black Market, and then this pink blazer is from Zara. Ellie's like been just staring at me like, when are we gonna go? Oh, and then my bag is DVF, and my sunglasses are Windsor, I think. Yeah, Windsor. So yeah, we are about to head off, and I will talk to y'all in a little bit.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
Okay, so we just saw our first apartment. Someone that lives there, and the person that lives there was there, so I didn't want to like record it, but we really liked it. It was on the Upper West Side on well, I'm not gonna say the street, but it was higher up on the Upper West Side, and I really liked it. And we're gonna go to West Village now, and I think someone lives in that one, so I'm sorry that I can't show y'all all of the apartments, but they're so cute. And now we're just in Central Park hanging out, and I'll show y'all as much as I can. It's just a crazy day with a lot of appointments, so I can't show y'all too much because I'm not thinking to vlog, but I'll show y'all what I can. So yeah, so I think the last time we saw each other, I was in Central Park and I was heading to West Village. It has been did I just zoom this in on myself? I think I just zoomed this in, or I got closer, I don't know. So I just got back, or what am I even saying? Let's see, let's mute this. Okay, I just muted the TV and I'm gonna set this up so I can talk to y'all for a second. Okay, so I look really bad and crazy right now. Okay, so the last time that y'all saw me, I was in Central Park and I was heading to the West Village. I'm so sorry, I did not film in any of the apartments actually, because every apartment I went into, there were tenants and they were actually at the apartment. Like the tenants that actually like live in the apartment were there in the apartment, and I really didn't want to film someone's space. Whether they were there or not, I still wouldn't have felt comfortable kind of just sharing their personal stuff. And you know, like I said, like it's not like they're gonna go and, you know, I don't think they would really mind that much, but I just I know if I had an apartment, someone came in and was like just doing this, I would be like, I wouldn't say anything, but I would kind of feel a little uncomfortable. I don't know, but so yeah, I didn't get to film any of the apartments. So I went to, so I'm just gonna kind of talk to y'all. Okay, let's go closer. So I'm just gonna kind of talk to y'all about them. So I had emailed over 40 to 50 apartments in the past 24 hours and only got 6 apartments scheduled, mainly because I'm out of state, so I have an out of state guarantor. and I have Ellie, so I have a dog. So finding something that accepts as state guarantors and pets was kind of difficult, and also I don't have a broker because I was going to do it on my own, just because the broker fee is really expensive, because it's 15% of your annual rent. So anyways, I went and saw my first apartment on the Upper West Side. Really liked it, really did. I thought it was really cool. The one on the Upper West Side, the first apartment, was really nice. It was just really small. I mean, all New York apartments are small, but it was really small, and had kind of like a funky bedroom. It was a 1-bedroom, but it was like really weird, and it was $2,250, and so we really liked that one. That was like one of our #1 kind of ones, I guess. And then we went to the West Village, looked at one there, and it was just not worth the price. The apartment was like this bed, and then like maybe like the bathroom in like our hotel. Like, it was really small, so it just wasn't worth it, and I knew like we could find probably better. So then we went up to the Upper West Side, looked at another apartment, and we went there, and it was fine. It was a busier street on the Upper West Side, but you don't come across those very often unless you're living on like Columbus, Broadway, Amsterdam, like one of the main ones, instead of a side street. And this was a side street and it was super busy. And the tenant that lived there was super weird and kind of creepy, and would just kind of freaked me out, and I just didn't have a good like first impression of it. So I just kind of was I was just kind of like over it at that point. And that one was more expensive, and it was going to be more expensive. It was a full 1-bedroom, it was huge, but it just wasn't, I felt, worth it. And then I went and saw the fourth apartment, and that's the one that we ended up going with. We are in the process of getting that one situated. I'm not going to say where that one's at. Good morning. It is 7 o'clock now. We are finally up. Ooh, I'm sliding myself. I just look so bad. I just woke up. Go get Starbucks and then go take a shower and get ready for my day. So I will talk to y'all here in a little bit, and hopefully vlog more today and not be a sucky person at vlogging. So yeah, and we'll
see. You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. Yeah.
Okay, so right now we are in Riverside Park, which is kind of close to my apartment. So yeah, I'll just let y'all know I'm living on the Upper West Side, and I'm super excited. My hair looks crazy. So I'm super excited about it. I'll show y'all more tomorrow on what my apartment is. I don't know if you can hear me because of the cars, but yeah, we're just kind of exploring all of the Upper West Side today, and so I'll just show y'all more of Riverside Park as we keep going.
Yeah, where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy.
Okay, so we are going to my apartment to go do measurements and to finish up on signing the lease and all that kind of stuff. So I was just going to do an outfit of the day. So today's outfit's very casual and probably not for everyone, but that's fine. I'm wearing my Gucci sneakers, these mom jeans that are from Zara, and this jacket which is from Forever 21, I believe, and then I'll take it off so y'all can see. And then this t-shirt from Zara as well, a linen t-shirt. It is on sale right now for $9, and
every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep.
Okay, so we are on our way to Rockefeller Center. We were at the Elizabeth and James sample sale, and I got this trench coat from it. Now we're on our way to Rockefeller Center to get dinner, and yeah, I think I did a little bit better at vlogging some today, but not much, so
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
okay, I'm at Zara now, and I kind of got a lot. I get to finish showing all around. We went shopping at Zara because it started pouring and raining, and we didn't have an umbrella. We went the wrong way, and we had to walk in the rain for 20 minutes. So my shirt is super see-through now, and if y'all are curious, I took my suede jacket off. We had a bag to put it in, and we protected it. It's all good. So we ran in the rain, and we just go back. So I'm gonna go dry off and get in bed because it's late now, and I will talk to y'all in the morning. So bye. We are finishing up getting ready, and then we're gonna leave. It's like 9:30, right? It's 9:30, and we are going to go get breakfast. And then, so the apartment that we are kind of set on, the landlord's been on vacation, so it's taking a little bit longer than usual, and we just want to make sure we have more options. So we're going to look at another apartment at 2, so after we eat breakfast we'll probably just head up there and go do that. So yeah, I will show you my outfit. So I am wearing actually the same top as yesterday, but whatever. This one's from Zara. I got this jacket last night from Zara as well, and then I decided to throw it on. And then my shorts are, and then my shorts are from Runway 7, and then I'm wearing my, you can see I'm wearing my Calvin Klein slides that I wore on the first day here, and then my sunglasses, which are from Windsor. And I just have my hair up, like how I did my little short quick hairstyles. And yeah, I'm going to wait on them. They're taking forever, and then we're gonna go.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind.
So we were having zero luck with the apartments and everything, and now we're just in Central Park because the city is being stressful. So here's some B-roll of Central Park.
There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken.
So I'm curious, right here
Can we
where
be strangers?
and Gossip Girl.
Against our fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D.
Okay, so I forgot to end the vlog yesterday because after Central Park we came back, rested, and went to dinner, and the place was super loud, so I didn't really have an opportunity to take out my camera. And now we are getting ready. We're gonna go eat breakfast. We have to go back by Zara because I forgot to take one of the sensors off of something, and then we're gonna head to the airport and head back to Texas. So I will try and film as much as I can while doing all of that, and then I'll see y'all back in Texas. Okay, so a long time no talk. The last time I talked to y'all was Saturday the 12th, and it is now Wednesday the 23rd, so it's been a long time. But yeah, I have been super busy packing. I had gotten the apartment. It was insane. It took forever. There were so many things I had to do. I had to pay more money than I really expected, and so much happened, but I'm going to go more in detail with that. My camera is going to die, and I have to go somewhere right now, but my sister's laughing. Sorry, I haven't updated y'all. I have not posted this. I wanted to post it forever ago, but I'm going to get this up either tonight or tomorrow, probably tomorrow, on Thursday. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all on everything, but I did get the apartment I wanted, and I am moving exactly a week from today. So I'll be driving it'll take 2 days to get there in a U-Haul, and yeah, I'll be there June 1st, but I'm leaving exactly a week from today to start driving. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of get in here and update y'all just a little bit, but I will make a full video on my experience, tips and tricks, things that people do not tell you for some reason, that they just decide not to tell you, and these kinds of things that are like key things that you need to know whenever you're apartment hunting, especially in New York. But yeah, so sorry that this is so brief and that I'm not going to give y'all more, but it was a great trip. Very, very stressful. We didn't get the apartment when we left. We had to wait 4 days before we heard anything back, and it was so touch and go. We didn't think we were going to get it. I thought I was going to fly back out there. Just so much happened, and I'm not going to get into it right now because I need to end this, but I will talk to y'all. I probably won't post next week, but I'll post the next week my moving vlog, and give me like 2 weeks and I promise I'll get back on my old schedule. I'm so sorry that's kind of all over the place, but I am still doing YouTube, I'm still vlogging, and I'm still doing all that, but I've been kind of MIA on everything, and everyone's like, are you still like alive? I'm like, yes, I'm still alive, I'm still here, I'm still vlogging, YouTubing, all that, but I'm just really busy. So yeah, I will see y'all in 2 weeks, next week, something like that. I don't know. I'll see y'all in our next video though. Mwah. Bye.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.